Hi everyone, a special episode of Coffee with Z about family investment companies or smart companies. And the reason why this is such a big topic right now is because in tax on interest section 24 and finance costs rising, we've had a lot of people ask about them. Watch this episode. We're in central London, got the Lambo, these are the aspirations, and if you want to get a family investment company, you have to know why. As I said at the top of the show for Coffee with Z, we're going to talk about family investment companies, stroke smart companies, a few different names. This is so important these days because if you're in property, whether you're a property investor or you're holding assets, even when you were a developer but you're going to become a property investor, I would recommend getting one of these set up. So this is having your parent company as a family investment company. I'm going to give you some benefits why this is huge. Because when you have property, everything is part of your estate. So you pay inheritance tax, the dreaded 40%. And also you have something called capital gains tax implications. But we're going to talk about how do you protect the family legacy, hence family investment companies. What you do is you make sure you structure the company with different share classes. You have to have an accountancy, tax specialist, a legal specialist, and a review of your financing if it's not new property that you're putting in there. Because if you've got existing, you need to make sure that they are comfortable with this and make sure that your future lenders also are comfortable. What you end up doing is you freeze your current share structure between you and your wife, if that's the structure that you got, and then you put your growth in the different share allocation, which is normally in a discretionary trust for your children. And the reason why this is beneficial is because you take everything outside your estate, and because nothing, if you did it at the beginning, the value was zero, you don't have no inheritance tax. And if it's an existing company, you can transform it to a family investment company and protect against the future growth and therefore protect against inheritance tax. This is huge. So you've got to make sure you get the advice from a property tax specialist. Protect your family legacy. Don't end up paying inheritance tax. This is how you buy a Lambo, because you protect structure and the knowledge. This will make you money on a different level because it will protect your money. But that 40% you can then invest and be happy what you use your money for, because you've not had to pay that tax either in your lifetime or in your future, your children or your grandchildren's lifetime. So get the advice, check out our guides. I hope you enjoyed this Coffee with Z. Family investment companies, huge difference maker. Thank you for watching. End up paying inheritance tax and therefore not being able to. Don't you love central London? That's the blooper, I think. You gotta love. This is how you buy a Lambo, because you